So currently, what are we gonna bake?
We're going to bake. No, it's not bake.
Oh, today we're going to make mango crepes. And Tin and Kits are not around.
You're missing 2 people.
Yeah.
So we're going to do it in advance.
Advance. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. So,
It's a random vlog for us to see in the future.
yeah.
Actually, we were planning this for a long time.
So, introducing the ingredients.
So we have
La Nueva, 1 kilo. We have 2 eggs. We have 1 Bear Brand.
we have an all-purpose
Condensed
flour.
milk. That's all-purpose cream. Sorry. And then mango condensed cream.
Yeah, that's what
So,
we're going to follow this. Ambot unsay ni ba? Ang gingon daw 1 egg. Wait, ikaw daw. Di ba nakita ko na Andre? Ha? Boss man. Adi. Ayan. Wait,
guys,
mo ay pa di ba siya pam? I don't know, average. Average? I already put an egg. Ang say pa di mo kay more siya, mas more on vintage style siya nga vlog. No. But it's kind of like
I need a cup. What's the one? 30, 31, 32. Where do you get cups?
We have Spotify here, Jill.
Yeah.
Ako pa po yun, doy. Di mo
Funny,
mga
Jill.
playlist dara, mga depressed songs for kids. Ano ba yan?
Everything with one single word.
You know?
Like bubble tea.
Ay, dili unang flour.
Sorry about the pills. The song.
Do you have scissors?
Nag-pay din eh.
Oh.
One eternity later.
This is what...
Girl, akong English pa mo malfunction siya kundi sa
Ako naman storya.
kung sa like sa personal jud na kumka.
Is it?
Okay naman siya no. Basta
Awa daw,
for
ba't
prep.
kaya Latin?
Siki siki say I'm new. Cause go picky picky right it's true. Look at all the beats and talks.
I need this. Or the guy, napay floor.
No, one floor. What? One floor. Sige go. We have music going on. Wait. Oh, hi guys.
There's Tin.
Og na sige. Nana mong missing members. Go na ra kami. Wow, milk. Milk oh, wow, milk. Itubig na lang. Marketing okay na tubig. Pakita daw yung mga eyebrows. Wow. Ano ba yan? Go, Kate. So we're putting another tubig.
Ano na, guys, chef? Ano na, chef?
I-mix ka na, ganyan ka, good girl.
Damn!
What the fuck? Kuha na, sa dip na. Ate, kami sa dip. Ha? Kami sa dip. Kuha na, kanina ito.
Okay, sige, butangan. Ano ba? Ano sauce?
Oo, butangan ng sauce. May sauce.
Full of pa.
Kami.
Yeah, I think. Yeah, okay na na. Ako, I did that.
Okay, pagkuan.
Mag-oil ta?
Gamay. Ay, actually, pwede na din ta mag-oil. Butangan na lag-oil ang... Butangan na lag-oil ang mixture. Ay, ayun na, mag-oil na lang ta, oy. Oh. Hindi naman siya mamak, no? Hindi siya mamak, no? Hindi siya mamak, no?
What do you think of my jersey?
A few moments later.
Ano na, gamay? Girl! Layo na ito ulit sa... Ito yung ratang butang. Wash it first.
May mo pantik ba?
Wow! Ako daw.
Ha?
Ay, sorry, Inira. Say hi. Gusto na na icon na.
Ta. Te.
Inyo po gani?
Gi.
Go. Ikon, ituyok.
Mapancake yun na ron.
Tuyok pa.
Dalang gigunti ka.
Tuyok pa. Mo gani.
Dandat.
Tuyok pa. Pour and flip in a thin layer.
Na.
Okay naman.
Ano ba? Mas better niyo, kanin mo pa-flip.
Mabutan ako dito. Ganyan madal.
Oh.
Ano? Bugas ko, pipi. Wait a minute.
Girl, I need a fork.
Ay, nami silicone!
I-post na lang kayo, bro.
Silicon.
Ay, nanay, pag-himo mo ang babag mo.
Wow!
Yo.
Walang pinain bowl, i-mix na ninyo.
Bakit dito eh?
Bowl?
May sector tortilla. Ba, kita na ko ni Kate mo, naipimpos ba sa kwan? Like, too much study. Real! Ano?
Reason?
Uy, wala, nakat na ako.
Kit, ibutang ni Kit ha?
Kung tayo talaga
People.
Xerox, my whole
Xerox.
Girl, it's burning.
Uy. Wala na sayaw.
Wala ka na.
Ganun ka share ako, kanako? Ha? Single lang ko. Oh, pero yung certified daw.
Bawa naman ang joke naman yan.
Uy, wala na marag itlog, Jill.
It's a pancake, dude. Pancake na siya. Because you roll it and it turns into a crepe. Ah, okay. Kaya wala ko na po na rin. But it's perfect.
Oh.
Jill! Saan ang sauce, Jill? I-mix na rin.
Lagyan, wala na part.
Oh, pero ayaw i-measure sa ano. Nakalang siya, pero gamay-gamay yan. Ay, ayaw ni ganito. Ayaw na.
Advertisement.
Mango condensed cream. Very creamy and very yummy. Yeah!
Oh my God! Wow!
Hey! Unbothered Kate. Ay.
Look, wala.
Unbothered yun ni Kate. Tayo.
Di ba kung kailangan tayo, guys?
Go, go. Pancake. Gamay ano? Oh well. Go. Moro na.
What game mo dyan?
Gana! Ah, si Jane, nasad. Oy, lain na sila mag...
Ataga ko ba na kay Kate? Ataga ko ba na kay Kate? Ay, this one.
Ah, go. Backward.
Wow, shit, Jillian! We have honey bun. We have honey syrup. Ano honey? Ano? Sabihin mo.
One eternity later.
Yeah, slay, boom, bang. Yeah! Sanay ako na ba? Yeah! Kids! Smile! Baratsu! Aye! No one's ever had me! Not like you!
No, what's going on so far? Actually, decent naman siya, so...
Haven't
Ano ba tayo?
Oh my god! You look like the next mistake!
I can make a bad guy good for a weekend.
A few moments later.
So, taste test. Okay, taste test. Go guys, taste test. Video. Taste
Wow, auto.
Taste test.
Kukuha mo, uy.
Oh,
1, 2, 3.
kalang kalang guys.
Oh, hindi ka
Hindi naman din ang pork.
What? Ay. Buwang.
No, ano?
Amang galing. The condensed milk.
Madalas na rin, pwede mo ba hinali yan? Ay, nagkasi tayo mo dyan.
Wala man sa kuya niya si Jaden nasa taas. Si Papa malakaw niya. Maligo ko. Ligawas na ko. Maligo.
One eternity later.
We're about to say goodbye to our vlog. Kaya wala na kaming mga storage, ate ko!
Bye! Don't forget to subscribe, like,
Oh, eh. Subscribe.
with us.